Hi guys, this is the Java series part 5. In the last video, we have discussed what are operators, arithmetic operators and relational operators. Now let's discuss logical operators. So what is the usage of logical operator? Logical operators are used to determine the logic between variables or values. Okay, so what are the types of logical operators? Logical AND operator, logical OR operator, logical NOT operator. Here, in between the expressions, we have the logical AND operator. Here, after the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false. Here, after the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false. Okay, if both the expression returns true only, we will get output as true. Okay, and logical OR operator. Here also we have the combination of expressions. Okay, after the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false. After the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false. Okay, if both the expression returns false only, we will get output as false. If any one of the expression returns true, we will get output as true for logical OR operator. Got it? And logical NOT operator. Okay, here after the evaluation of expression, we will get either true or false, and after the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false. Okay, and in between these expression, we have the logical AND operator. If both the expressions returns true only, we will get true. Here we have the NOT. Okay, so NOT of 2 returns false. If this expression returns false means what happens? NOT of false returns true. So, what is the result for logical NOT? Reverse the result. Returns false if the result is true. Return true if the result is false. Got it? Let's take this example. My package name is operators package and I have created the logical CLS. This is my class name. Inside this class, I have created the main method. Here, I have initialized the int variables A, B and C. Okay, so I have given 10 to A variable, 20 to B variable and 20 to C variable. And I want to display A, B, C on my console. That's why I have used the println method here. Okay, and this is the output statement, concatenation symbol, and A holds what value? 10. So that 10 will be displayed on our console. Okay, likewise B value, C value. And here what happens? This is my left expression, this is my right expression. Okay, after the evaluation of this expression, what is the result? 10 less than 20. Is it true? True only. And B equivalent to C. What operator is this? This is the relational operator. Okay. So, after compare these two operands, we will get true only because B holds 20, C holds 20. So, in this expression, we have the true value. In this expression also, we have the true value. So, if both the expressions are true, logical AND operator returns what? True only. Okay, let me execute again. Here, A value, B value, C value. With the help of println, I just print all the A, B and C values. And here, after the evaluation of this expression, we got true. Okay, and here, A greater than B. After the evaluation, what is the result? A holds only 10 and B holds 20. So, it returns false. And C is equal to B. Okay. So, C value is 20, B value is also 20. So, this equal to relational operator returns true only. Here we have false, here we have true. Okay. So, if any one of the expression returns true, we will get true only. So, this is the result for this expression. Here we have the logical NOT operator. Okay, this operator is what? Unary operator. So, in between two operands, we have the logical AND operator. In between these operands, we have the logical OR operator. But here, this is the single operand. After the evaluation of this expression, we will get a single value only. Okay, that's why we can call it as the unary operator. So, what is this? This is called the binary operator because here we have two operands. That's why relational operators or binary operators. And after the evaluation of this expression, what is the result? A holds 10, B holds 20. So, it returns true. So, not of true returns false. That's why we got this output. Okay. And A greater than C. A holds 10, C holds 20. So, it returns false only. So, not of false returns true. What are the logical operators? Logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Logical AND returns true if both the expression returns true. Logical AND returns false if any one of the expression returns false. And here logical OR. If any one of the expression returns true, it returns true. If both the expression returns false only, we will get output as false for logical OR operator. Not means the expression returns true, we will get output as false. If this expression returns false, we will get output as true. I hope you all understand up to this. If you have any doubts, just to message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.